ATL, All Things Life, my faith and lifestyle channel. If that is the type of content you are into, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Today we are going to get right into it. If you have been on my channel for a while, you know that I love all things faith and lifestyle, and I love my coffee. And I like my coffee strong, and I like it sweet. But being a woman of my age, there are certain nutrients that my body needs, and when Javvy reached out to try their new protein coffee, this is the original. They also have a mocha and a caramel, but I wanted to go with original because I want to have different mix-ins and I didn't want to be tied to one flavor. 3 things I like about this without even tasting it is that it is 100% real coffee, 10 grams of protein per serving, and prebiotics. As a woman over 40, these are the things that my body needs on a daily basis, and how convenient it is to get it in 1 cup of coffee. Now, I'm big into what things smell like. I don't know if you're like that. Let me know in the comment section below. I like to know what things smell like because it kind of gives an idea of what it's going to taste like. Doesn't smell bad. That's what it looks like. I smell the coffee in there. It has 80 milligrams of natural caffeine. I also want to say thank you, Javvy, for sending this over. I will have a code in the description box below if this is something you are interested in. So we're going to make this in 3 different ways, and then we're going to give it a taste test at the end of this video. The time of the taste test of our original with water, nothing added. And then we have the 4 ounces of milk. I added some Fairlife protein milk. So this is the extra protein coffee with no added sugar. And then thirdly, we have the oat milk banana latte. It did mix very well and very easily, so if you have a frother, that is going to be a plus. Okay, what I will say about this is I taste a lot of things, but it's not coffee. I taste a lot of different, maybe it's the MCTs in here. My taste buds are very, very sensitive. It's something that I'm not used to, so I really do not like this one. What I'm going to do which I had on standby, is add some of this oat milk creamer. This is a maple pecan to give it something as of a coffee taste, because that by itself is an absolute no. That is a 0 out of 10. All right. It helped it a little bit. After adding that creamer, I would give it a 2 out of 10. Going over to our extra added protein, added 4 ounces of Fairlife milk along with a scoop of protein powder. Again, no. It does make it a little bit more palatable. It's definitely a lot more creamier, but I don't like the taste of that. It does not taste like coffee is in here. So let's go on to our third. By the way, I'll give this a 3 out of 10. Going on to our third, which is made with oat milk, which is my favorite. And we added some homemade banana syrup. No. Maybe my taste buds just aren't there yet for the protein. I love the concept of the protein coffee. I love the convenience of it. I love that there's no sweeteners in here, but the taste just doesn't, the taste just doesn't do it for me. Now, not to say that someone else wouldn't like this, but for me, having to have coffee from a Breville, from an espresso, from a Keurig, I don't taste the coffee. I want to taste coffee, not just protein, not just probiotics. Do I taste it in here? Out of a 10, maybe a 2%. Thank you, Javvy, for sending this over. This is just my honest review. And just to let you know, if this is something that you're working towards, you're needing those nutrients, you're needing those probiotics, you're needing that protein in the morning, I would say try it out. I love working with Javvy. I've worked with them before, and I've had the concentrate, and I like that one, but this protein coffee is just not my style. So that is all for today's video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. I wanted to always give an honest review. And again, thank you, Javvy, for sending this over. And I'll see you in the next video.